Hello guys, welcome to a roleplay. This is going to be my first Tugger Bugger roleplay. Part 1 of the road trip. I just completed this house. It took me forever. I had some foods here. Did not work. It just disappeared. I have to turn on my phone. I can't hear anything. Well, what's it? Okay, guys, we don't have a child. We definitely don't. Okay, I'm joking. Guys, I'm joking. I definitely did not leave the child in an abandoned house. I definitely did not. What? Where is it? Where's my child? Someone kidnapped my child. She was right there. Oh my god. It's whatever. Someone kidnapped my child, but it's whatever. I kept her there. I see why someone kidnapped her. But let's go right now. Sorry, guys. I don't know what happened. I definitely had her. Here she is. I had her there. I'm aware of it. Oh yeah, by the way, I have to tell you guys all the names of the characters. Back home to a humble abode. Okay, finally she's asleep. So, this is Max. He's the dad. This is Rachel, the mom. This is Mia, so she's practically my name. She is the oldest. This is Isabella. Well, people call her Belle, but her name is Bella. I don't know why that keeps on not working. Go down. Okay, hold on. Okay, and this is Matt. This is Alex. Oh yeah, they love bugs, by the way. This is actually the kind brother I want. This is Park. No, not Park. Sorry, Parker. That's Parker. Look at him. I'm just kidding. That's Jake. Why would I? I like a math and like this. And if you want more Tugger Bugger videos, like and subscribe. When we get to 40 likes or even 50 subs, I will make another video. Oh yeah, all parts in this. All parts. Let's get on with the roleplay. What time is it? Oh yeah, my checks her watch. What? We're gonna be late. Oh my god, we're gonna be late. We're gonna be late. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, we're gonna be late. We're gonna be late. Wake up, honey. Honey, wake up. What's wrong? We're gonna be late. Our hotel. Oh no. I'm gonna go and wake up the boys. Oh no, my Mia. What's wrong, Mom? Bella. What's wrong, Mommy? What's wrong, Mommy? Our trip is in. We have 5 hours for our trip, and the plane's gonna leave. Hurry up and pack. Oh no, we have to pack. Okay, first I'm gonna get dressed. Today I feel like I'm gonna wear something cozy because we're literally going on a plane. Oh yeah, if I said road trip in the beginning, I don't know why I said road trip. It's not a road. I can't pronounce it. Whatever. But guys, remember, we are, sorry for the background noise, by the way. We are doing a plane trip. I can't really say that, but like, yeah. Oh my god, I have to pack. Oh my god. Wait, Mom, what about school? My school starts in a week. Oh, honey, we're going to be gone for 2 weeks. What? What? I'm going to be in so much trouble. Honey, chillax, okay? Part 2. What? But I'm going to miss. Honey, it's okay. Just go and pack. Okay. Okay, let's start packing. I haven't told my mom yet I'm on my period. Oh, wait, Mom, what about the dog? Oh, Grandma's gonna come over and watch them, okay? We can't bring them. Oh, okay. By the way, I'm gonna get the grandma. Hi, honey. Hi, sweeties. I'm here. You heard about the road trip? Can I take the dogs? Yeah, you can stay here, Mom. Okay, sweetie. Hugs. Okay, I'm gonna get dressed. No, ready. Okay, let's grab that. And I'm gonna bring some of my drinks, because I'm probably gonna get thirsty. One of my rainbows. Hey, sissy. Yeah, what's up? Can I have one of your rainbow drinks? I'm really thirsty. Yes, but put it back in the fridge. Thank you. No problem. Okay, I'm gonna start. So my bag is, I just have to put that in, and my bag is now full. So let's pack in this. Oh yeah, this is my wallet, guys. Alright, we're only going for a road trip, but I need my... Okay, and now let's pack the... Perfect. Hey, Mom. Yeah, what's up, sweetie? My laptop won't fit in my bag. Can you get Dad to get that today that we have every year when we go on vacation? Oh yeah, I can make him get it. Oh, you'll make him? No. I'll tell him to get it. Oh, Sissy! What's wrong, sweetie? What's wrong, sis? What about brothers? Oh yeah, just get dressed. Oh no, we're gonna be in an airplane. You can wear your PJs. Here, I will get you your little bag. Because it wasn't planned out. I forgot to bring her bag. I forgot about, wait, what's with the younger bro? Oh my god, I'm just reading. When I do this, I'm prepared. Oh my god. Thank you, Sissy. Oh, no problem. Okay, let's make my bed. Perfect. Okay. 1, a 2, and then a 4. Oh, my teddy. What's wrong? My teddy. It won't go in. It's okay. Mom, you have to put her teddy. You have to put her teddy and she's crying about it. Oh, don't worry. Mom's gonna put it in the bag, okay? Okay, can I put my teddy in? Yeah. Okay, I'm ready. Yeah. Okay, come on. Mom, we're ready. Okay, I'll go and start getting that thing. Okay, let's go and get the boys up because I don't even think, because the elevator's budge. Honey, it's stuck. Honey, it's, wow. Never mind. Yeah, I pressed the button for you. Actually, I did not. Okay, wake up the boys. Wake up the, blah. Oh my god. Boys! Knock. What's wrong, Dad? Opens door. We're going on the airplane in a few minutes. Better get finished. I have to use the bathroom. Well, my dad is so weird, but let's get ready. It's early. Can't believe my dad woke me up for that. I don't really have much. Wait, what about our aunts? Don't worry, your mother's mom is going to stay over to look after them. That's good. I could never let my aunts get hurt. Why does your brother have an ant in his bed? No, that's a teddy, Dad. Oh, that's good. Okay, I'm going to wear this, I guess. Okay, let's start packing. And then my flower. Do we need our clock? I think your sisters are bringing theirs. You don't really need it. And that clock is kind of useless, boy. Okay, I'm ready. Wake up. Son! Dad, I'm gonna kill you. You yelled in my ear, now I'm gonna cry at the top of my lungs. Wait, don't do that, Fine. Okay, I know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna get ready. Cart tray. Okay, I'm gonna get ready. Don't mind the back music, by the way. Okay, I just need to pack my Aunt Teddy. You sure that's a Teddy? Yes, Dad. Shut up. I might need a book. I'll bring my dinosaur, my aunt's book. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, let's go and get your sisters and blah, blah, blah. I need to pack my bag. Okay. Okay, well, I'm packing up stuff that my family needs. I don't really need this stuff. Oh, no. Why is the medical cow open? Come on, just close it again. Okay, come on, kids. Your mom is probably screaming at the top of her lungs, saying, come on. Okay, just wait here for them. They're probably coming down now. Hi, guys. Hi. Okay, put your stuff on this, kids. Don't worry, the airplane will take it later. We just need it because we have to go on the road first, okay? Come on, let's go. Yeah, I'll do a house tour soon. Meanwhile, I was gonna say meanwhile with Grandma, but we are not. I will. Alright, ready everyone? Only make the most delicious block of cheese you've ever seen. Oh no, I have gold in it. Thank you. I feel so funny these days. Oh, okay. Meanwhile. Oh my God, you didn't tell us we had to walk. I had to carry it. Where's Grandma? She's at home, dummy. She's at home, honey. Honey, I mean. I don't know why I said dummy. Okay, guys, come on. We need to get in our car. We need to get in our car. Boom, boom. Oh, these are old features. Wow. Mom, do we really have to go in this car? Can we not go in the family car? Can we not go in the normal car like your car? This is Dad's car. No, honey, we can't because your dad broke the engine. I'm sorry, jeez. Okay, I'm driving, I guess. Yeah, you are, honey. Honey bunny. Okay, I'll stop saying. Honey, can you stop being such a dramatic bitch? Honey, all of us are not even in. Calm down.
Or even better,
Alright guys, we're gonna be on the mile for like 2 days, okay? So if anything you need, it's with your dad. Cause I'm gonna be sitting out. Wait, where's my kid? Honey? What? I have a situation. Don't tell me. No, Grandma. No, Grandma's watching her. Don't worry. I told her. Actually, realizing it, I remember I told Grandma too.
You can completely understand. Yo, you erased Patrick's arm, dude. It's Patricia. Hey. Obviously, you can be boring and just draw like things. But on this channel, we think a little creative. This is my Avi first. Go, guys. Can you beat my Avi? Is everything? Of course I can.
Erase something.
I can beat it. I am Avi Pro. Oh. I saw what you did there now.
Locked. Oh, if you get that pencil, you can get more drawing. I want to draw more.
No, you cannot watch. Wait, Draco's so smart. Draco, wait up, bro. Guys, wait. Just Bill.
Pencil.
Clear, drop. Clear, drop. Oh, this is actually cool. Oh, this is watch really this. Hard. I'm going down, everyone. Can I have help? No. Everyone, stop. Stop. What? I have a great idea. Well, you can follow. Move, Draco. She said she had a great idea, Draco. I have a great idea. The only way to go up is to follow the cute stars. You see how you're gonna jump up there, girl? Oh, yeah, see? That is everyone make cute stars. Aww. Look. Gold cookies. I passed this level 8. I didn't pass it, so we must keep. Oh.
We can't jump for this one.
That's fine. We are dry. Now, gold stars is to be. Jelly beans. Looks nice out. There's a hole. Little
Bacteria ring.
Okay, so I guess okay, is everyone ready? Yeah. Wait, I wanna go to sleep. I'm so tired. Honey. Okay, Jesus, you don't have to. Yeah, Dad. Yeah, Dad, we're ready.
Is this really style anymore?
Okay, I'm scared. 10 minutes later.
Everyone, we must climb.
Why is this magazine so good? Checks Apple Watch. Oh, hey, Mom. What's up? Oh, up. Okay. Honey. Yeah, what's up, Mom? Well, I can't explain much, but, yeah, what's up? Just tell me. Well, it's hard. But one of the pets escaped out into the back garden. It was like an ant, and it jumped in the swimming pool. It was like a gray ant, and it jumped in the swimming pool, and it's like, I don't know, it's swimming around. Oh yeah, that's one of Max's pets. Oh, okay. Wait, by the way, part 3. Oh, that's one of Max's pet. Oh, I forgot his name, by the way, guys. What's your name again? Max. That's max now, guys. Guys, I need to write it. Okay. Guys, gas station. Shut up. Shout! What's my life? Okay, kids, gas station. No. We want to sleep. Pedal. Ow, I hit my head because of you. Okay, let's go, y'all. I'm stuck in the door. I'm stuck. God, okay. I'm here. Hi, Mommy. Hi, sweetie. Mom, can I drink this? No, that's your sister. You tried to drink my pink drink. You tried to drink my pink drink? Oh, I didn't know what yours. Well, guys, we just stepped out like a bus station area, okay? So not in too bad, okay? Because I need some food. I'm starving. So we stopped at Crab's place, I think. Let's go. When they're walking, obviously the broke guys. I got some sad news. Your mama died. Okay. I don't know what the name of this is. It's called Crab. Krill. I don't think they're gonna have enough table. Probably the big kids are gonna. Ugh! I can't walk anymore, honey. It's okay. But where's our son and daughter? You guys would not wait. Wait, where is Mia? Bro, are you guys that? Wait, oh, this is not. Wait, what happened to the son? Oh, he's just matching. Wait, where is sister? Boo! Ah, oh my god. Emotional damage. Oh my god. Did I really get you guys? That swan ran me up and then I saw a raccoon or something and it scared the living shit out of me. Poop out of me. Beep, 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 beep. Krusty Krab pizza is the pizza. Yeah, my family's too weird. I'm gonna eat. Sis, wait, I don't want to sit with them. Can I sit with you, please? Please, you're the only one actual person that has a life. Okay, you guys have to sit at a table beside each other because the children want to sit with me and your dad. See ya. Oh my god, can these people shut up? Beep up. For real. You guys know we could have just got these. Hello. I can't think of a voice for this. Hello. Well, I can't. Hello. Welcome. Because this is the best voice I can do. Oh, hi. Would you like the water? Could I get the crab potato? Yeah, and could I get the lemon octopus? They all ordered, these two ordered. So these two ordered that and then the parents ordered that. Yeah, sure. Oh, that's pretty fun. Okay, I'm gonna stop, guys. I'm gonna stop. I keep doing some weird. Okay, I'll get your orders immediately, guys. He's dumb, so he doesn't even know what he's doing. Guys, I'm so mean to this octopus guy. Should I give him a name? Name this octopus in the comments. If I heart somebody's comments, that's the octopus's name for the next roleplay. Yeah, part 4. I know these are going fast, but like, I do not have time. Wait, do I have to chop? Hi. Well, close your eyes, please. Okay, chops. Chops. Oh yeah, by the way, everyone closed their eyes when we said close your eyes. What the heck? Oh, here's your food, so I had to go to war for that. Yes! Hello, can me and my husband get the hot dogs thing? And my kids want corn. Yeah, sure. Why are you screaming on? I'm sorry, sir. I went to war there because I had to chop off my limbs for somebody to eat. Delicious food. So you shut your mouth. I'm just a silly dude. So here you go, you little kid. Wow. What the heck? Wow! Thank you, Mr. Octopus. Wait, then my son... My son ordered the octopus. Blah, blah, blah. After that, okay, what do you guys want again? Blah, blah, blah. Tells him because I'm not going to that. Okay, why won't it let me pick it up? Here you go, and I don't know what that white stuff is. I put cheese. That's cheese, okay? So don't judge me. This food is actually... Could I have a fork? What did you just say to me? Can I have a fork? Yeah, sure, stay. Thank you. Washes it. Do you want a fork? This is kind of sus. Well, I washed it. Oh, that's okay. Nom 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 nom. Ah! Ow, I stabbed myself in my shoulder, but I don't mean it like. Nom nom nom. Eats it with the roti. Okay. Kids, let's go. By the way, you need to make your food better. I didn't like your octopus. That's my brother. Shut him. Beep, I mean. Beep. Oh my god, this is some lady. Oh my god. Okay. They keep on driving, by the way, guys, and they finally have 10 million, thousand, jillion years. Only I did that. Oh yeah, by the way, they left the bags in the car because at first... Oh no, I clicked into the wrong one. This is... Oh no, I spoiled it. They left the bags. So... I got some sandwich.
Let's get across the
Guys, who is your full-time favorite? Who's it? Full-time favorite Sanrio? Mine is Cinema. Yeah, but before you guys do, gave pasta. Oh, you guys are the family of 6? Yes. Okay, just put your bags over there, and then you will get them in 10. You will get them after your trip. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna just put that back. Okay, and your valuables, that stuff you have there. Let's pretend that went in.
What's dangerous about this? It's just a hill.
Just sign it, and make sure to waste all your pencil crowns. More? Thank you, everyone, for signing. Now continue forward. What did you say? I didn't say anything. What was I? Don't worry. Because you just signed for funding protection. Thoughtful, but I would get back. No, Bunny's a troll. She's gonna. What? Hey, Bunny. We don't owe you our life or anything, huh? With signing that.
Funding protection works. I'm glad I signed. The water level.
Oh yeah, by the way, guys, this is a private plane because the dad used to be like a flight attendant. Okay, get your bags, girls. Okay. My bag. My bag! It's gone, Daddy! My bag! Oh my god. Oh, my briefcase. It's good. Okay, guys, come on. Let's go. It scanned and said we're alright to go. Hey. Hey. Oh, hey, Samantha. I've seen you since high school. Yeah, I got this job here. Well, I have to scan you guys. Sorry. Well, youngest always go last, so who's the oldest here? My wife. She is not 20. She is 39. And I'm older. What? No, I'm a year older than her, so let me go. John, I know you aren't gonna say anything, and anyways, we're the same age. What makes such a cute couple? I guess, but I hope I think it's yeah. Well, it says you have something to come. Well, it says you have nothing on you. Okay. Okay, you're kind of weird about it. Honey? Oh, hi, Samantha. Nice to meet you. Hi, Lindsay. Shakes hand hard. Oh, that hurt. But whatever. Why won't you go fully in? Look how cool I look. Get in, woman, or else you're getting arrested. Okay. You're not fully in. You're not fully in. That means jail time. Okay, I'm getting in. Oh, yeah. Part 5. Okay, I'm getting in. Honey, help. Oh, girl. What's wrong? Oh, well, it seems. Let me see what's in your backpack. Oh my. Bro, stop taking it. Oh my. Jakey. Look. Look what's in her bag. What? I did not put that in there, I swear. Hun, if you get something wrong down in your pack. Yeah. Oh yeah, that is not Mom's. Look, it has Mackenzie labeled on it. Oh yeah, there's my. What? Whose name is Mackenzie? Mommy? Yes, Bella. Mommy, I'm scared. This lady's Okay, can you come with me? Me, my little bitch. Beach? Yeah, it's a beach. Like a beach, you know, where you go and play. Yeah, that's where we. Plane leaves in 10 minutes. Okay, everyone just got scanned. Oh, wow, you look beautiful, Duna. Girly. Sweetie, our trip leaves in a minute. Wait, Dad, look at me. I'm black and white, I'm black and white, I'm black and white. Mom, get my phone out. You have to add this to TikTok. I'm black and white, I'm black and white, I'm black and white. Honey, I don't have your phone. Ugh, Mom. You ruined the vibe. Okay. Everyone got scanned and everyone was worried because the plane was about to leave and no one was running. Okay, bye. Jake. No, just leave me alone. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be driving. Just put all your suitcases away. Mine has to go in that random briefcase. Okay, mine there. I guess mine there. Dad, can I come and sit with you? Yeah, sure, honey. This is my little helper dog. He'll be living with us soon. Oh, yay! Slide, too! Yeah! Oh, what trip are we going to again? Honey, I have to tell you something. Oh my god. Japan? Yeah, we are. But first we'll be there for 2 weeks, okay? Part 6. We'll be there for 2 weeks, okay? Plane blasting off. Get in your seats. Okay, the 2 kids will sit over there. You and me will sit over here because your sister went to go. Actually, honey, can we switch? Yeah, sure. What's wrong? Oh my god. Do we have twins? Of course not, because I'm going to have a freak attack. Wait, I'm going to go and get some snacks first, okay? Plane, leaving. Wait, Dad, wait. Run. Stops. What are you doing? We're about to fly. Sis is going to get snacks. Wait, there's snacks there. I know, but she saw something that's really tasty. Fine. Chocolates for days. And then I can buy more. And then I'll put it like that. Yeah. Where is my sister? That's gonna get angry at me. So I made him stop driving. I guess he's snacking all the snacks. Ew. Veggies. I guess those are alright. I am so hungry, guys. I don't know why. Back. Oh, what's that when you found a real toy? That's adorable, sister. Okay, we'll drive no beaches. Beach. Like the beach we go to and ride inside. Yeah. Beep, activating thermal. 10 hours later. Aeroplane. Bottle. The next day. Wild and wild. Who should I? Let me see. Kids, we're here. I Ow, I almost like. Yeah! Fine. Okay, guys, I got the bags. Bark, bark. Oh, come on, little guy. Okay, come on, guys. Security is following. Come on, guys. I keep on dropping them, guys. Okay. So, guys, during nights, now they're in the hotel. They got. I removed these guys today, and they're back. Oh my god! And that child's back. I hate that child. She gives me nightmares. By the way, guys, there's not enough room for like everybody. Oh my god. Where did we? What? Nuh-uh, where is he? Guys, I think he left Earth. Where the heck is he? Did he get kidnapped? I wasn't joking about that. I actually did not think that was happen. Maybe one of the people. Wait, guys, where is he actually? Oh my god. I actually did not. Because I was going to make a nighttime. I thought I'm starving. By the way, guys, I don't know where he went. He's kidnapped, I think. Wait, he's right there. Okay, you need your butt to pick you up. So guys, the brother and sister had to move because is this the... Wait a minute. Excuse me, you're the wrong brother. This is sorry, bit. Okay. And then the mom and father. Okay, I'll stop. Okay, now we have to drop off because they're sharing a room. I called a big room. Damn it. Poop it. Okay. And then mom and dad random ugly pillows. I don't know why they want it. Bring it. Yeah, true. My headphones nearly fell off the bed. Oh my god, I'm glad I touched those. Stop doing that. Okay, I think we got the key for floor 3. Get it? I swear though, I removed these people, so if they're there. Oh my god, this guy has a big forehead for a kid. Oh my goodness. Brother, I feel bad for you. Why? Look at that rotten milk. Ew. Oh yeah, by the way, here you go. Thanks. My room is fire. Okay, you can stay with me, little puppy. Okay? You can sleep on my side. Put the bed. And I'm gonna put my teddy there, my computer, and my sister left her stuffy, but it's alright. Oh my god. It won't stay. I'll place them down here. Oh no, I can place them there, I guess. Drinks and blah blah blah. And then, I'll put it right there. Okay, my room is alright. Okay, guys, I have to go and eat something. So I'm gonna be AFK. I'm gonna make them all go to sleep when I'm unpacking. Okay. Okay. By the way, he threw away that rotten milk. And no, not the toy. The toy can stay, I guess. Guys, I'll just be back. Like, is it alright if I go and eat something? I'm starved. Okay. I'll be back in 1 second. Oh yeah, this is part 7. Part 7. Part 7. I'm sorry, I'm back. My brother was asking me to do something, so I had to do it. But I'm back. This will be the end of this role play for now. Bye, y'all.